Boom! You know what it is, Mr. Tango, back at it again, back in the house, coming through with that new information, that new knowledge. You know, I just can't stop touching my face. Ever since they said stop touching your face because the bacteria, whatever the virus is gonna spread, I just can't stop it. Just my hands, it just wanna go here. Anyway. I just want to share with you guys an amazing tool for you to be able to reach out. Last video I made was that the internet is an amazing tool. It's going to help us to reach and do lots of different things that we weren't able to do before. The tool that I want to show you guys today is Zoom. It's called Zoom. It's a video conferencing tool that you can use to collaborate. If you have some data and stuff, then you can download the Zoom application on your phone, or you can put it on your laptop or whatever, right? And you can actually have Zoom meetings. And then you and your friends or your business colleagues and everybody can just go into this Zoom, and you can actually have a video conferencing experience just like that. So because we are locked down and quarantined or whatever, we are unable to go out and go about our normal life. So use this tool to do that. Alright, I'll put the link into the description, and I'll show you a little video of how you go about installing it and using it. Alright, so this is on my laptop. You see I've got the Zoom application. I'm opening it up right now. What the Zoom application looks like. There you can start a new meeting. You can join a meeting. You can see a schedule. Awesome. You can share your screen, so you start something quickly. Start a meeting. Here I am. Alright, so this is how I start the meeting. Say yes, I want to join with audio. Okay, using my computer's audio. And then, oh, there it is. Yeah, I can end the meeting. And yeah, I can invite someone. Let's invite. Okay, but I don't have any contacts on this one. You can also send it via email. And you can use your Gmail, or you can just copy the URL, and then you can send it to people over WhatsApp. Alright, to get into this thing. There you have it, guys. And now that you know how to do video conferencing, you can download the app, create a video conferencing, send it to your loved ones, send it to people that you wish to have a organized meeting with, and yeah, let's spread the love. It's an amazing tool. It is booming right now, and we here, we share information, right? That is why we are Africans, and we African connected, the eagles that live its time with intent.